T25 Slimline Honeycomb Blind Screen Installation. Unpacking. First, lay out the general frame of the honeycomb blind screen. The 4 tracks are labeled on both ends. Combine them according to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Center the cords. Insert the side rails. The fabric needs to fit into the grooves of the side rails. Do the same on this side. Center the rope. Insert the side rails. Center the rope. Insert the side rails. Once assembled, test to see if it opens and closes smoothly. Then it's time to install. Default 2 holes for side rails. Customized size over 31.5 inch, the bottom rail is punched by default. Avoid the rope when fixing with screws. Then fix the track with fabric. Open the blinds. Peel aside the fabric. Drill holes in the side rail for fixation. Note: don't drill on the fabric. After fixing, install the side rail rubber strip. Lift up the fabric first. Put the tape into the bottom. Be careful to put the rope in the groove on top of the strip. Press firmly to tighten it. Do the same on the other side. Lastly, put in the magnetic strip on the bottom rail. Press firmly to tighten. Installation is complete.